Today is the 9th. This guy just shot a huge monster buck.
Huge, dude.
He's still shaking. Still shaking. Got a little bit of snow this morning. It's been beautiful this morning. Beautiful morning. We knew that one of us was gonna get a chance to see something this morning. So we're here and he's reviewing his footage. From the sound of it, sounded like either bone or stick. We're gonna try to go find his arrow.
Man. Shaking way too bad.
He's still shaking.
Right? Right?
Hey, did you see anything?
No, I didn't see shit.
I didn't see shit either, man, but this guy just shot a fucking monster, dude.
Got him?
Tall as tines, dude. I think that's either the tall 8 or the either the tall 8 or the 10. That looked like the tall 8, dude.
Huge. Nó to
That's a big buck, dude.
Got him, dude.
You got him? We're back here trying to find his arrow. Bên kia thâu tủ su xếp lại được. Bên kia xếp lại thâu tủ su. Tủ nâng ta chỉ nó lò thâu tua cho tủ nó nào nữa. Holy shit, dude. That's a big ass. Look at that. Damn, damn, dog. That's a big footprint, man. Holy shoot. Where's the blood? You see blood?
Okay, của tôi không look at my arrow, guys. You know, you don't know tôi nó lò.
How many yards is that?
30 yards.
Shoot, dude, you were that close, man?
Yeah.
Holy shoot.
My arrow's gotta be here somewhere, guys.
I heard it, but then it sounds like it, cold, huh? Yeah.
Nó chơi chơi. Cua đó. God, come on. The arrow's gotta be here somewhere, man. Seriously, dude.
Review the footage.
Right? Right?
Not a good sign, man. No blood. Promising anymore. But we're gonna give it our shot. Today's the last day. We're packing up to go home too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pack up and come back and look for this deer. It's about 2 o'clock. We're back to track the deer. Then got shot this morning. But we haven't found the arrow. We are going accordingly to the track of the deer. No arrow, no nothing. So we found the arrow. What the fuck?
Bấm lẩu nó cho nó này.
Oh, that's not a dead deer, dude.
Cho nó.
주문 잘해라.
Mua. Ăn cả luôn vỏ.
Con chó không nó nữa.
Giờ tân nó tụi arrow. Bật.
Shoot, dude, you did hit his, yeah, shoulder blade.
Car. Car.
So we found a little bit of blood.
Right here. Blood right here.
Oh, blood right here, man.
Where here?
Yeah.
Good.
Keep going, Louis. Good.
We're here too, right? That's a lot of blood, dude.
We're out like 200 yards now, right? 2-3. You see blood? Okay. We're still tracking this deer. We're going home tonight, dude. I'm working at 6 in the morning.
Good enough need like 6 hours already.
400 or 500 yards. Search for the Maluna. Ditch tàu lên nữa. Cái một thật chạ float chụp bồi yard lợi. Trên ditch tàu chỉ phải đặt lò. Chết the Maluna chỉ thôi không gì là chỉ cái chỗ này chỉ thôi. Cái khó hay tiệt. Nếu cũng chỉ lòn chả lấy thế. Bọn chả mê rất mà. Cũng chỉ lòn chả đâu. Thì là tức là sắp phải kế nó